In its warm, tropical shallows, a humpback whale gave birth just 2 weeks ago. This mother swam 4,000 kilometers from Alaska because the conditions here are perfect for her baby. Hawaii's extreme isolation keeps the calf beyond the reach of most predators. While the island's shallow seas offer the only warm water for 1,600 kilometers. A balmy 27 degrees, crucial for a newborn calf, yet to develop a thick coat of insulating blubber. The Hawaiian Islands can also offer shelter from the winds and currents of the open ocean. Allowing her to rest. And put all the energy from her mother's milk into growing.